Okay, this is a short webcast on how to record visit feedback and actually complete visits. So going from the home screen here, if I click on placement visits, I will see the students that I'm allocated to carry out their placement visits, which in theory have now been completed. So if I click on Patrick here, so I can see his information there. I can review more information on his placement if I so wish. I can check his health and safety, but what I'm really interested in for the purpose of this demo is visits. Okay, so really from this screen, this is where you can, so the visit's been scheduled. You can then, so this is scheduled, so he would then in theory upload a submission in preparation for the meeting, which we will have reviewed. And then if I hit feedback here, this is where I can really sort of sign this visit off and complete any relevant information, both for myself as the academic visitor, placement tutor, but obviously for Patrick as the student. So issues discussed, and obviously you can put in a summary there of what was discussed. Suggested progression, so any actions that came out of the meeting that should be a priority for the placement student going forward and that were agreed. Duration, attainment, any additional notes, and then if I hit submit, you'll see that that status is now completed. So yeah, that's how to update and complete a placement visit.